Now, we've taken a whole lot of calls and emails about certain businesses being allowed to remain open during the pandemic. And one of the most frequently asked about is the Tesla Gigafactory. Brian Hoffman did some digging and spoke to officials to try to get some answers.
Now, we have a ton of emails and calls from viewers curious about essential businesses, but those inquiring about Tesla specifically have been increasing. On Sunday, we received an email from an employee at Tesla that was sent out from a direct supervisor saying an employee tested positive for COVID-19. Now, the email states, quote, "This individual was on site at the Gigafactory for 1 hour on March 21st before going home feeling ill. This individual remained at home since that time and was later tested and confirmed to have COVID-19. Now, I did reach out to Tesla several times, but they've yet to get back to us. I was able to speak to the Story County manager, though, who has yet to receive confirmation of this potential coronavirus case at the Gigafactory.
We looked into it immediately, and the documentation we have on hand at this point does not confirm that that actually is the case of a positive case. Ourselves, as well as our Quad County Regional Management Center, are looking into that matter.
And while we weren't able to go on site at Tesla, we did speak to the president of the transportation system, which employees at the Tahoe Reno Industrial Center use, My Ride to Work.
We have dispensers for hand sanitizer on each of our buses, wipes for the seats on each of our vehicles. Our vehicles are disinfected before and after each shift to ensure that there is no spread of germs.
And on top of extra cleaning efforts and bumping pay for drivers and cleaning staff, My Ride to Work has also doubled their fleet in order to adhere to proper social distancing.
On our 56 passenger buses, for example, we are only allowing 18 passengers, so right around 30% per shuttle to ensure social distancing across the board.
As for being allowed to stay open, Osborne says, according to the governor, Tesla is considered essential.
That the parts they're making on site, like General Motors or like Napa, making parts for our cars across the country and the world, Tesla's doing the same thing. And so that governor's proclamation does show them as an essential business.
Now, this is a developing story as the Story County team is working with other counties to find out if this potential case is actually a positive one. Covering the story, Brian Hoffman, 2 News.